Yeah.
What'd you get?
MacBook.
Show me. Who gave it to you?
Me.
Did Mimi give it to you?
Connie gave it to you.
Yeah, Connie is Mimi.
Connie
So what do you say to Mimi?
Thank you.
What? Say thank you, Mimi.
Thank you, Mimi.
Mimi says you're welcome. Good job. And now also it's Brandon's turn to open his present, right?
Okay.
Alright. Open her up. What is it? Whoa! A backyard flyer? It's an airplane. Cool. Cool. What do you say to Mimi?
Thank you.
Alright.
Brandon to see me.
What, Carol?
Brandon.
Alright. Alright, we'll send Mimi the video. Brandon, look here. Oh, sorry.
I ready to pop the piano.
Thought you were already done.
Hi.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you later.